Hey guys, so I got an update in regards to replacing the rear wheel bearing hub assembly. So the noise didn't go away when I did the opposite side, and there's something that's different on this side that is important to note. I had to release this bolt here in order to get to the bolt that holds the brake caliper on. So it was, let me see, I think it was a size 19, yeah, 19 millimeter. So I used one side. You want to put it on both sides, and then I ended up using my power tool to get it off. But if you have two 19 millimeter bolts, probably a breaker bar, that pipe combination, you'll be able to get it off. As you can see, I replaced this fairly recently, so it wasn't too bad for me. And then when I took off the wheel bearing, this was what I was expecting to see on the other side. It's completely gunked out, rusted in there. So I got a brass brush I'm going to use to clean it out, and then some brake cleaner, and hopefully that'll turn off the lights that I have inside the car, and also take care of that noise. Alright, here's a look at it cleaned. This is magnetized. That's how it tells the speed sensor on the back of the wheel bearing. See, it's kind of slotted there. So that's how it measures the speed, I'm assuming. I'm no expert. The shavings from this was attaching itself to the magnet, the magnet. So, it took a couple scrapings. I cleaned it down as good as I can get it. Didn't take very long, but I used the rag just to wipe off the sensor and make sure there's no shavings on it still. So yeah, hopefully this helps. Good luck.